Hi, this is Sally, and today I'm going to show you a tool that you can use to generate your faceless content without having to pay for exorbitant subscription fees and all that. Now, this tool is like an all-in-one tool that has everything you need from your voiceovers to your assets, which is the media, to your captions, like everything is here. So you do not have to come here, use this for this, go and find another tool to use for that and all that and all that. Any kind of content that you want to generate, this has. I am going to please ask that if you are new to this channel, I want you to please subscribe because this is a way for you to say thank you for the value that you're going to get from my videos, hopefully, and yes, so I want you to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you're going to see it and get notified. Without much talk, let's get into the video. So let me show you because you're going to be mind blown. Be prepared. Right, so the application that we are going to use for this is CapCut, and some of us must not have known that you can actually use CapCut to generate faceless content without having to pay for it. So when you open the application, so I'm going to assume you have the application already installed in your phone or your system. So I'm using the desktop version of it because it just allows you to do your editing more conveniently on a bigger screen. So when you open the application after installation, you are going to see this is the dashboard, the home page where you get to choose what you want to do, if it is just editing or you want to create a video or whatever it is you want to do. So you can see that they have a lot of tools for different things. So for the sake of this video, we are going to be using the AI video maker function. So just click on AI video maker and it's going to load to open up a new window. So just give it 2 minutes, 1 minute or 2 minutes tops, and you're going to see a new window. So just click on instant AI video. So when you click on that, it's going to open up a small window by the side which will allow you to choose the style of the video that you want. So we have the realistic film, we have the cartoon 3D, we have the movie, we have a photograph, or you can basically choose whichever style you would like to use for this. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to choose the photograph. So after that, you are to choose your aspect ratio. I'm going to create like a long form video for YouTube, so I'm going to pick the 16 to 9 aspect ratio, and after that you get to input your script. So let's say you do not have a script already written, maybe you just have an idea of what you would like to create. It could be like a story, a Bible story, history, whatever it is that you would like to create. So if you have a script, you can click on the enter script, which will enable you to type or paste your script here. But if you do not, you're going to click on the generate script. So the generate script, you're going to enter the topic of the video that you want to create. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to create a story about the Lion King. So let's just say Lion King story. So and you get, after that you choose the voiceover that you would like to use. You can see that there are a lot of you do not have to, you can just ignore this for now because as a later on you're going to get options, like more options to choose from, to use as your voiceover, because this window actually has very limited options. So I usually do not pick my voiceover model here, but you can just leave it. For now, I'm just going to leave it, and then you can choose the length of the video, that how long you can choose how long you want your video to be here. So for this video, I would like to use 5 minutes, and after that, you just make sure everything is okay the way you want it, the aspect ratio, the time, and the length of the video, um, and the story that you want to use, and the style. So for the voiceover, you can get to choose later on. I just like to leave this because for now there are no much options to choose from, so I just leave it out. I can change that later on in the video. After you've gone through this and you're okay with your insertions, just click on create. So after you click on create, it's going to open up a new window where your video is basically coming together. So I'm going to forward this so that we don't get to spend too much time. Okay, so our video has been generated. If you look at this, you're going to see that your script has been generated for you, your scenes, everything basically. Just look at this. This is 5 minutes exactly, and the aspect ratio is 16 to 9, and it basically has everything that we need. You do not need to be worried about generating script for your video. You can just input it, and then this is what it gives you. Now let's play this and see what it adds. Okay, first of all, before we play, let's work on the voiceover, to since we did not get to change the voiceover to the voice that we want. We're going to click on scenes, and then it will bring us to where we have the voice over, and then we'll click on the voice over, and then we'll click on voice. So from there you get to choose. There are a lot of voices that you can pick from. Let's just scroll down. These are basically the trending ones, so let's just go to male. If you want a male voice, you can choose whichever one you want. For the sake of this video, I have some favorite voices that are already saved, so I'm just going to use British. So let's add that. So after that, after you've chosen the voice that you would like to use, you're going to click on replace for all scenes, and then it will prompt you this, and then just click on continue. So wait while the voiceover is generated. All right, our voiceover has been generated, so we are going to go ahead and play the video. Let's see what we have so far.
Have you ever heard a story so powerful it feels like it has been passed down for generations? Well, get ready, because today we're diving into the epic tale of the Lion King. Our story begins in the majestic Pride lands of Africa, a vibrant kingdom ruled by the wise and powerful Mufasa. At Pride Rock, all the animals gather to celebrate a joyous event, the birth of the new prince, Simba. Rafiki, the old and wise mandrill, presents the tiny cub to the entire kingdom, and the land rejoices. It's a picture-perfect moment, but not everyone.
Well, as you can see, everything is set and ready to go. So I'm just going to scroll down so you can see all the generations that we have. For the ones that you have a blank asset, if you click on this, you'll see that it is blank. So for anyone that has a blank asset, just click on it and click on generate AI media, and a media will be generated for it.
By a stroke of fate, she stumbles upon the jungle and is reunited with a very much alive Simba. She tells him about the devastation back home and begs him to return and take his rightful place as king. But Simba is still haunted by his past. He refuses.
As you can see, this tool is very much useful if you are looking to go into creating faceless content. So when you're done, when everything looks fine, before you export, just click through the video to be sure that everything is in place. You can choose any caption you want to use, and it will be added to your video. So you can add background music if you want some background music playing in your video. You can choose from anyone that you want. You can see that there are a lot of categories you can choose from. We have the healing, warm, pop, whatever. Just pick, scroll through, and then just choose whichever one you want. After everything is set, just click on export, and your video, you'll be prompted to input a video name. Just put any name that you want. The quality, well, I always choose recommended because it will give you like a higher resolution. You can choose to increase your resolution. For me, I mostly like using 720 pixels to 1080 because of fast rendering, but you can choose anyone you want. If you have a faster internet, you can pick 4K, that's fine. So just everything, you can choose the frame rate. I like using 24 fps. You can choose, of course, mp4. So after that, just click on export and your video will be exported. I do not want to make this video longer than this, so I would like to say that this is a tool that you can use just like you've seen, and it's completely free. There are no limitations. There are no, you can generate any amount of videos you want in a day, and you will not be asked to pay. Now, if you would like, because there is another part of this video where you can actually, if you want to animate these images, you can animate them. So if you want me to show you how to animate them and you're not using any other tool, you're still using CapCut to animate them, but it is going to have to come in another video. So if you want me to make a video on how to animate the images, you can is drop me a comment and I will do just that. So thank you for watching, and if you've watched till the end, I want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate your time, and please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, because I'll be dropping gems like this every day. So I would like for you to be the first to see my videos whenever I drop them. So please turn on the notification bell so you would be notified. And thank you for watching. See you next time.